and it's all because now if we're talking body, you got a perfect one, so put it on me.
Hey guys, so this is gonna be like a little short video. It is nighttime, and so I wanted it to be truly authentic and see how it was gonna feel and how it was going to work. So I brought the Kingdom Cares, I will have a picture here, facial steamer. So pretty much I have my water already filled in, and I just have to go ahead and pop it in and wait for the steam to start, so that way, you know, we can do the facial at home. So I did get my first facial like about 2-3 weeks ago, and I was like, okay, I don't want to really pay $30 every single time I want to get a facial, although it's really good, you know, to get one like once a month, but I don't want to keep paying $90 a week. Like, that's insane. That's truly insane. So I got my regular skincare products. So pretty much I'm gonna do like they do with the facials. I'm going to cleanse with my regular cleanser. Then I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off. Then I'm going to go ahead and exfoliate with the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. Then I'll be going ahead and going into a mask. So I'll be kind of doing what they do with the facials, but I'll be doing it pretty much the simplest way and just using steam. So yeah guys, if you want to know how this is gonna work or how this is gonna go, please keep on watching. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and start the steamer up so it can kind of get, you know, a little steamy steam. That way we can go ahead and start this. Okay, so I got the water tank thing put in. Okay, this is the steamer, guys. There we go. Can you see it? So yeah. Okay, so let's see how this works. Oh, I see a blue light in the middle. This is kind of nerve-wracking. Can you see it? I don't think you got. Oh yeah, you can see it right over here. This is so weird. I feel like it's going up my nostrils. So I'm gonna steam for like a good 15 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my pore cleaner by Neutrogena. And I'm sorry that my head is so low. I'm just trying to get the steam, you know, going. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this. Okay, so now that I've steamed my face with my cleanser, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off. You know what? I'm going to actually go ahead and dampen this towel so that way I'm not really harsh on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use my exfoliator. And I'm going to go ahead and leave this exfoliator on for like a good minute. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off. And if you're wondering, this towel have never been used and it has already been washed. My face feels very... I don't know how it feels yet. It looks like the water is going low, so I may have to refill it. And I am using filtered, and I am using filtered water. If you do want a little more steam, then I suggest going a little more closer, but not too close because you don't want to burn yourself. Okay, so as you can see, I have steamed. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more water because I do want to steam like this whole period, because I do like penetrating my skin with the products. Now this steamer that I do have is, I think, like a 10 to 15 minute steamer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my face again and let the steam go ahead and start back up. Okay, so the mask that I'm using is the Special Mask for Oily Skin by Mario Badescu. So I'm gonna go ahead and start back up my steamer and go ahead and start applying the mask. Okay, so now that I look absolutely crazy, I'm gonna go ahead and let the steam penetrate the mask for like a good 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry down, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm just getting the rest of this mask off. You want to make sure you use a clean towel. Okay, so now that we have did that, let's go ahead and go into sheet masks. So I have 2 different sheet masks. Okay, so they're very 2 different things, and so I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this one since I am breaking out a little, as you can tell right here, and this up in here is just now healing. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this since it does have witch hazel. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the mask and go ahead and start putting that on. Okay, so now that the mask is on, I'm gonna go ahead and steam for like a good 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and let it just soak in by air drying, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm officially done with my little facial steamer. All I went to go do is take off the sheet mask, and I just rubbed it in a little, and then I let it soak in a little, and then I gave myself a little massage on my face, and I did some extractions on my face where it needed to be. Make sure your hands is very, very, very clean. Then I also went ahead and put on some of my nighttime products before I go to sleep, and just some of my lip mask by Laneige. So yeah guys, that's about it. My final review on the facial steamer is that pretty much it's simple. Like, it's pretty much just like getting a facial, but you know, you're doing it yourself, and came out very glowy, very shiny, very dewy. So yeah, I like it. If you do want to go ahead and purchase the same steamer that I have, I will link it below. I'm not affiliated and I'm not getting paid to say this, so I just genuinely really like the facial steamer. They have a whole bunch on Amazon, or you know, you can get it directly from people's websites. So yeah, it's just up to you. So that's about it. I hope you have a blessed day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell right by it so you can be reminded every single time I upload. I try my best to upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Sometimes it doesn't happen the way things is, so I'll try to go ahead and upload the next day for it. So yeah guys, don't forget to like this video if you really like it, and comment on if you ever had a facial. Have you ever had a facial? You know, what is it like truly having a facial with extractions and everything? Because I just had a simple facial. I really wasn't for the extractions and all of that of other people doing it. So yeah guys, have a blessed day. Bye guys.
Small voice in the choir. Guess I never dared to know myself. Can my heart be quiet? No.